Let's take a question. Let R be a relation on n cross n, where n is the set of all natural numbers defined by a comma b is related to the element c comma d if and only if a plus d is equal to b plus c. That is, these two elements will be related if the sum of a and d is equal to the sum of these two. Show that R is an equivalence relation. We know that a relation is equivalence if it is reflexive, symmetric, and transitive. So first we will show that this relation R is reflexive. We know that a relation is reflexive if every element of the set is related to itself. Now this relation is defined on the set n cross n. So I have to show that every element of this set is related to itself. Now we show that x comma x belongs to R. Now x should come from the set on which this relation is defined. Now here the relation is defined on n cross n. So this x should belong to n cross n. So therefore the form of this element x should be a comma b. So let a comma b any element of this set n cross n. Now I have to show that this element is related to itself. That means I have to show that a comma b is related to a comma b. Now by definition of R, a comma b will be related to a comma b if sum of these two, that is a plus b, is equal to sum of these two, that is b plus a. So in a way I have to show this. Now a plus b will definitely be equal to b plus a because addition is commutative on the set of natural numbers. So a plus b is equal to b plus a. So this implies a comma b is related to a comma b for all the elements which belong to the set n cross n. Thus, every element of n cross n is related to itself. Therefore, R is reflexive. Next, we will show that R is symmetric. Now recall that a relation on a set is symmetric if x related to y implies y related to x. And remember this element x and this element y should belong to the set on which the relation is defined. In this case, my relation is defined on the set n cross n. So this x should belong to n cross n and y should also belong to n cross n. So let x be a comma b and y be c comma d. So I have to show that if a comma b related to c comma d, then c comma d is related to a comma b. This I need to show. So let a comma b is related to c comma d, and I'll show that c comma d is related to a comma b. Now this will be related to this if I am able to show that sum of these two, that is C plus B, is equal to sum of these two, that is D plus A. Now look here, A comma B is related to C comma D. So by definition of R, sum of these two, that is A plus D, should be equal to the sum of these two, that is B plus C. Now this can be written as B plus C is equal to A plus D, and again addition is commutative, so I can write B plus C as C plus B. So C plus B is equal to D plus A, which is same as this. So this would imply that C comma D is related to A comma B. So whenever A comma B is related to C comma D, then C comma D will also be related to A comma B. Therefore, relation R is symmetric. Now we will prove that this relation R is transitive. Yes, recall the definition of transitive. A relation R on a set is said to be transitive if X related to Y, Y related to Z implies X is related to Z. And again, remember this, X, Y and Z should belong to the set on which the relation is defined. In this case, that set is n cross n. So, X, Y and Z should belong to n cross n. So, I take my X as A comma B, Y as C comma D and Z as E comma F. So, let A comma B related to C comma D and C comma D is related to E comma F. So relation will be transitive if I am able to show that A comma B is related to E comma F. Now I have to show A comma B is related to E comma F. Now by definition of R, these two will be related if sum of these two, that is A plus F, is equal to sum of these two, that is B plus E. So I need to show this. So we are given A comma B is related to C comma D. So by definition, A plus D should be equal to B plus C. This is our first equation. Also, C comma D is related to E comma F. So again by definition of R, C plus F should be equal to D plus E. Now I wanted to show that A plus F is equal to B plus E. Here we have A, here we have F. I want A plus F. So what I'll do, I'll add these two equations. So on adding, I'll be getting A plus D plus C plus F is equal to B plus C plus D plus E. So this D and this D will get cancelled out. C will get cancelled out and you will get A plus F is equal to B plus E. Same as this. So from here we can conclude that A comma B is related to E comma F. So therefore R is transitive. So we have shown that R is reflexive, symmetric and transitive. Therefore R is an equivalence relation.